Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Sunday Talk episode number 124. In this episode, as always, I'm going to go over 5 questions I received from you guys. I'm going to go over NVC update of this week briefly. And also, I have another powerful quote for you guys. If you are new here, my name is John. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also U.S. citizens regarding the immigration questions. And also, I give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. Before I start today's video, I want to wish you guys a happy Sunday. So guys, let's start with the powerful quote that I have for you today. This quote is coming from unknown author, and here is the quote. In life, you will meet two kinds of people, the ones that build you up and the ones that tear you down. In the end, you will thank them both. Again, in life, you will meet two kinds of people, the ones who build you up and the ones who tear you down. In the end, you will thank them both. Well, I think it's a powerful quote, exactly. There are people in your life who will support you in whatever decision you make. They will support you in anything, okay? Whatever decision you make, whatever you want to do, they will be there. They will be there to support you. And there are people who will hate you for no reason. They will do everything so you can fail, that's who they are. But the thing is, people who want you to fail, by doing that, they will actually, if you notice that, you're gonna try to prove them wrong by being persistent, by doing what it is you're trying to do anyway. If they hate you or they don't hate you, you're gonna chase your dream. You're gonna become successful in whatever it is you are chasing, okay? And because they are hating you, you use that as a fuel, to prove them wrong, and therefore you will succeed. And at the end, guess what? You're going to end those people because of the way they're hating you, because of the way they want you to fail, because of everything they're doing so you can fail. Because of that, you are able to succeed. And, obviously, people who always support you, you're going to thank them, anyway. So at the end, you're going to thank both of them. So if somebody hates you, don't take it as a negative thing. Use that as a fuel, to move forward, to accomplish your goal. So I think it's a powerful quote. Now let's get started with the questions. The first question of today's video is coming from Sasha Omadali. Here is the question. If I apply for the DV lottery, will that affect me getting a visitor visa? Well, thanks for the question. For some of you guys who don't know what DV lottery visa is, it's basically a program the U.S. government put in place to help people from another country to come to United States of America and become a permanent resident. So you're going to register for it, and then once you are selected, and you can come and you are selected and you get a visa after you follow the steps on the immigrant visa steps. Well, once you get a visa, you will come to United States of America and will become a permanent resident, okay? So basically, this person is asking if he registered for that program, is it possible for him to get a visitor visa and come and visit the United States of America? For me personally, based on my knowledge, it's not going to be a problem because, register for the program, it doesn't mean that you are selected yet. It doesn't mean that you get an immigrant visa yet. So you still can apply for a visitor visa and come and visit United States of America and then go back to your country. So once you are selected, now you can start the immigrant visa process, okay? So let's go to the second question of today's video. This one will come from Brenda Contreras. Here's the question. I'm the petitioner, but my income is too low to bring my relative. I have a joint sponsor, but he is married. Does that mean that now I have to sponsor? Well, basically, first of all, thanks for the question. So usually when you use a joint sponsor because your income is low, if that joint sponsor is married and they file jointly, they file their tax and return jointly, you, the petitioner, you will file one affidavit of support. The joint sponsor will file another affidavit of support, and then the household member will file another affidavit of support for a household member. So basically, you or yourself, the petitioner, the joint sponsor, and the household member, you have 3 sponsors now, basically, including you. Okay. So let's move to the third question of today's video. This one will come from Yon T Kut G. Here's the question. Mr. John, I'm from Haiti. My mom was a permanent resident. The last week, she becomes a U.S. citizen, and I already got my approval from USCIS before her citizenship. How long it will take for receive my interview letter? Well, thanks for the question. I don't know how old you are. If you are underage, well, it's gonna be a little bit faster because you're gonna be on top of the list to, like U.S. consulate. They are scheduling an interview appointment based on priority list. And I say, if you are underage, then you're gonna be on top of the priority list. Therefore, you will get your interview appointment letter sooner. But in case you are over 21, you are adult child of a U.S. citizen, well, the process is going to take a little bit longer because I'm sure there are a lot of visa applicants in your category. So because of that, and because of the capacity of the U.S. consulate in Haiti, meaning that how many visa applicants they can handle each month, well, that will determine how long you have to wait before you can get an interview appointment letter. So to answer your question, it's hard to tell you exactly when you're going to be able to get your interview appointment letter, but if you are underage, it's going to be a little bit sooner. Okay, so let's move to the fourth question of today's video. This one will come from Lifestyle with Kian. Here is the question. Hola, I want to ask about the immigrant interview on case F4. If the principal applicant is going with family, is the interview going to be individually or will be done once as a family? Well, thanks for the question. Based on my experience, when you get an interview appointment letter, all the visa applicant name on the interview appointment letter will go to that same interview because the interview will be held at one specific location, and the time is going to be on the letter. So if the principal applicant get an interview appointment letter and the list of people who will join the principal applicant, their name, if their name on the interview appointment letter, it means that all of them will go to the same interview. Okay, that's how I understand it. But I know if it's like 2 different I-130 case, then it's going to be 2 different interview. Okay, so to answer your question, based on my own experience, all the family members listed on the interview appointment letter will go to the interview together. So let's move to the last question of today's video. This one will come from Vanessa. Vanessa asked this question. Hey John, thank you for this video. It's helpful a lot, especially someone like me who is trying to start my I-130 application for my spouse. I have 2 questions. Please answer me. The first one is what is the best way to send application? It's using online or send the papers? Well, let me answer this question. First of all, thanks for the question. It's better to file I-130 online. If you file the I-130 online, it's going to be a little bit quicker than if you file it, if you send all the document to USCIS location. Okay, and also I think that the fee is a little bit cheaper if you file it online, but please don't double check the fee. Okay, so yep, it's better to do it online. The second question, second, you have to send I-130A with I-130 form together. I'm applying for my spouse who lives overseas. Thank you so much. Yes, since you are petitioning for your spouse, the I-130A, it's very important because it's for the beneficiary, your spouse. All those information you're going to put on that form is for your spouse, and therefore you will add your I-130A to the I-130 and submit all of them together. Okay, so that's how you do it. So basically file the petition online and also add I-130A to the I-130 form. Okay guys, like I say at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna go over NVC update of this week. So This week, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on October 26th. So this information for some of you guys who are new in the process, some of you guys whose case were approved by USCIS, I would say almost a month and a half, 2 months ago. Chances are on your case is already at NVC National Visa Center, especially if you are immediate relative. So at this point, NVC gonna key in all your petition information in the system. They will send you a welcome letter with an invoice ID and case number, which you're going to use to log in into the system and pay fees and then submit on different documents. So once you submit those documents, NVC will review the document and they will let you know if you are document to qualify. This week they announced on the website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on August 15. Okay, they're gonna let you know if something is missing, like a document is missing. They will let you know as well. If the fee you pay is not the correct fee, they will let you know as well. But if everything is fine, then you're gonna be in line, you're gonna be in queue to get an interview appointment letter. The third update always regarding emails, because you guys send NVC different emails. Well, they're doing their best to respond to those emails, and this week they announced on their website that they are responding to emails they received from you guys actually on September 29. So they are responding to those emails. Make sure you monitor your email box so you don't miss any emails coming from NVC National Visa Center. Also pay attention to the spam. Check your spam folder so you don't miss any emails coming from NVC National Visa Center. Sometimes it's better to check the NVC Computer Electronic Application Center, because when they send you email, you will see the notification once you log in into their system. So guys, basically that's what I have for you today. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share the video with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to see my face again in another video, well, click on the bell. If you are new here, you like what you see, you want to subscribe, click on the subscribe button down below this video. If you want to support this channel, we have USM shop. The link is in the description below. Again, my name is John. Thanks for watching. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully. I see you guys. I talk to you guys on next week.
USA Monde.